Hi guys, welcome back to PowerPoint Glamour. Today we will not be having any tutorials on how to make any infographics or any features on PowerPoint. Today I've made a small presentation on the hot topic of today, which is coronavirus. This is a small presentation which talks about the few symptoms and preventive measures as per Google. So the reason I made this is the intention is to make a PPT that you can take your teams through in any of your meetings. It's in a PPT format, it's like a presentation, so you can take your teams through that, and you can also share this presentation as a PPT, or you can make a video of the same and share it with your teams. I will be showing you how to make a video at the end of the tutorial here. And you can also take a printout of this presentation or the respective slides and paste it on your workstations or in your workplace, however that works. So that is the reason I have made this presentation. Hope that helps you. So let's go ahead and see how the presentation is actually looking like. So if you see this is the slide which shows the symptoms of the virus, which is sore throat, cough, shortness of breath, fever, headache, and pneumonia. So these are the symptoms. You can take your teams through, or you can take a printout of this slide as well. You can paste it in your workplace or send it on any groups that you might have on your WhatsApp or any social media. Then the next slide here talks about the preventive measures. So it says wash hands regularly with soap for at least 20 seconds, avoid shaking hands, avoid crowded places, in close contact with people. So these are the preventive measures and the symptoms which I have taken from Google. I have no assurance about this, but this is as per the norms of WHO and what are the different things that are available on social media right now. So it's just a presentation to help you circulate this with your teams and with your family and your friends, so that we can help them keep them safe from this deadly virus. So the other one is when sneezing, please make sure you cover your mouth. Avoid hugging or kissing. Avoid touching your mouth, nose, and eyes when you when you touch any objects. And last but not the least is please make sure you sanitize your workstations. Make sure you sterilize and sanitize your mobile phones with the isopropyl alcohol, the disinfectant which is available in the market. So that's it, guys. So you can go ahead and take the printout of this or circulate this as a PPT or a video. So let's go ahead and see how do we make a video for this particular slide. So let's go to recording and say export to video. Okay, let's make a full HD video. Then click on create video, then save it. Let me save it on the desktop here. So here if you see, it is creating a video. Video has been created. When you open the video, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe, and more importantly, stay safe. Bye bye.